Morning guys.
Morning.
Today we're heading down to Alton Towers.
Road trip.
Aye, we thought we would have a wee staycation holiday. We had this planned actually a wee while, didn't we?
Yeah, we were supposed to go in April for my birthday, and then obviously COVID happened, so everything's shut. We've been waiting to kind of see what's been happening, and we're happy with looking at Alton Towers, how safe everyone is. So
Aye, it looks pretty good. We had Travelodge booked, so they just gave us a credit note, which was brilliant, and then we decided to add another day onto it, so that's going to be good. We're going to hopefully try and film as much as we can this morning, get a wee travel vlog going for you, because we've not really had anything in the last couple of weeks. Also, we want to tell you that we were supposed to go to Disneyland Paris, but unfortunately it got cancelled.
I'm so sad about it. Like, so sad. I keep seeing all the Disney Halloween stuff.
I know. So we can't, obviously the government's not letting us fly. We're in the process of getting a refund for our holidays, and we've actually got something else planned. We're not going to tell you what it is now. You'll probably just see the first vlog drop of what it is when we do decide to go away. But I think you're going to love it. I think you'll like it.
Yeah. Also, we've got a vlog coming, Oktoberfest, while we're going to Alton Towers, so we're going to have a check out of that.
Aye, that should be pretty cool actually. So we'll get going. We'll try and film as much as we can today. This is just going to be a wee travel day, basically just showing you what it's like us travelling down there. I think we're about 4.5 hours away, which is pretty good. Probably with me driving up about 6 hours away. And that's us. We'll get going and we'll see you on the road. Right guys, that is us just arrived at a service station for our first wee break, and we have 147 miles to go in 2 hours 20 minutes. Drive's actually been quite good, hasn't it?
We're in England now.
Yeah, but so we're in England. Natalie said a minute ago, what's the service station called?
Southwaite.
What?
Southwaite.
Southwaite? Right, we're at Southwaite service station. Natalie says when they go to Blackpool in the past, this is where they've stopped. It's just a small one. This is to get out and get a pee, and it's basically just to go out and get a pee, because I don't know if you can see it out there, it's pissing down here. When we left Scotland it was scorching, and now we got to England and it is raining. So we're going to go in. If we see it in the service station we'll show you, and if not we'll probably just show you some more of the countryside on our wee adventure. And we'll probably, next time we'll see yous, unless we stop again, is going to be at the hotel, eh? Aye, we'll show them the hotel. Alright. Right guys, that's us just arrived, and the hotel room's pretty cool, isn't it?
It's a lot bigger than I expected.
Aye, it's massive. So took us about, what do you reckon, 5 hours to drive down or something. We did stop at a service station, and then we got caught in a wee bit of traffic near the end, but that was fine. So we've not had a wee look around yet. We're going to take these out with us. We know there's an Aldi close by, we might go there. We know there's a Pizza Hut, which we're going to get. We know there's a Pizza Hut close by. We're actually attached on to a Tony Cavalry. We'll show you that. There's a harvester and a couple other things just down the road, and what's the other one, the horse?
The Hungry Horse.
The Hungry Horse is there, so we'll just show you the room. So this is just a view from when we came in. Looks pretty cool, eh? It's just a standard travel lodge room, to be honest. You've got your kettle and all that there. TV's actually quite a good size. We've got a wardrobe, a wee window, we're on the bottom floor. We've got a wee seat that looks like something out of Cabana Bay or something like that. Your double bed and a toilet, and this is what me and Natalie were looking forward to, because every time we go to a hotel room we never get a bath, and we have a bath. So Natalie's bought our bath bombs, and where did you get them from?
Lush.
Aye, you should know by now that Natalie's only getting them from Lush.
I ordered them. These are ones we've had since Abbeymoor.
No, Pitlochry.
Pitlochry.
Aye, do you remember that? That was last
November, like almost a year.
Aye, that was last. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry, I'm upside down in the camera, so I can't quite tell where we are. There we are. We're in. No, that was Was it November? When we went. What was it? We went to in Pitlochry.
The Enchanted Forest.
Oh, the Enchanted Forest. That's right. And we've not been able to use it.
Every single time we've checked into the hotel since then, it's always just been a shower.
Aye, it's crazy.
So they've been sitting there making my stuff smell nice, and I was like, oh, Travelodge is usually
What one have I got again? Have I got the disco ball one?
Yeah.
No. Is that yours?
No,
No, did I get that one? We'll show you them before we put them in the bath.
Every single time I'm just like, oh my god. And I was like, Travelodges and Premier Inns usually have bath showers. So I'll put them in, and if they're not, I'm going to have a mental break. But the first thing I did was open up and I was like, oh my gosh, we've got a bath. So I'm so excited. That's
cool. So what we'll do is we're going to get unpacked here, have a wee bite to eat and stuff, and then we'll take you out, we'll show you just outside the car park and stuff like that, and just wee bits in the local area. We're not going to do much tonight. We're just going to come in and just chill it, to be honest, and then tomorrow is Alton Towers.
A full day.
A full day, a full 8 hours.
Extended hours.
I know, it's going to be brilliant. So, right, I was going to say we're going to love you and leave you, but we're not, because we're going to go and show you outside. Don't leave the video now. We'll go and show you the rest. Alright?
Chris will forget.
I'll probably forget, aye. So I just wanted to show you outside. Here's the car park. Here's the Travelodge that we're staying in, and right next door to it, just here, is the Toby Cabaret. We might go here for dinner one night, would you think, Natalie?
Maybe.
Maybe.
We've been looking online about gluten-free stuff. We can't really find anything, so we're probably just going to go ask.
So we're just going to go a wee wander around the town. It's pretty good. We're right on the road here. There's a wee house and estate just here, and we'll see what we find. Literally just 2 seconds up from our hotel there's this wee canal, and I've got some longboats on it. Is they called, no, longboats? Narrowboats? Narrowboats, because I think as longboats not like the things that Vikings have.
Yeah, that is exactly.
Some houseboats like this, they're pretty cool, aren't they? Although it looks like there's people actually staying in that one, so I don't want to film too much, because it actually looks like their house. It's pretty sweet. How amazing would it be to live at this house? Look, this wee guy's just get a wee bit and come out, sit right in the water, and then there's these people over here. I've got this cracking wee, looks, I don't know what you want to call it, it's like a wee deck just right onto the water. And the best of all of them is this deck in here from the garden right out onto the water, and then he's got his wee shed. How amazing is that? Oh, they've got a wee seat there too. Just at the other side we've got some narrowboats, some more narrowboats, sorry, and all the ones we actually seen on the other side, there was 3 of them in total, and they all have people living in them. I think these ones have people living in them as well, so I don't want to be like prying in the windows, but to be honest, they look pretty cool, don't they, Nats? This side actually looks as if, I'll show you this greeny one as we get up towards it. It looks as if it's actually got like a garden and a gazebo. Now I could be wrong, that could be, there's like looks like a caravan park or something in there as well. Alright?
I think that's someone's house, kid.
No, look, caravan. So the back of the house he's bought into it. So this one here looks pretty cool. And
It's long.
so it's called, well, it's not called a longboat. I was going to say it's called a longboat. It's not, it's a narrowboat.
It's called the
Queen of the Canal. But look at this bit. They've got like a gym and stuff in there as well. It's pretty cool.
That's cute, I like that.
Isn't it? Right on the water, how amazing is that? So we've just seen all the boats there. Would you like to live in one, Natalie?
I would like to live in one, but I'd like to
Nah.
holiday in one.
Like just a couple of days, no, a week or 2? No, that's what I said to Natalie. Like, where'd you go to the toilet and stuff?
Well, there's a toilet, but you can go for
Is
a
it?
proper long shower and...
No, you couldn't, I suppose, and it's one of the ones, isn't it? Where would I keep my drum kit and stuff? When am I going to watch Sky TV? Watch your football? I'm not?
Priorities.
Priorities, aye. Look, they've got all these wee bits along here. Just show you this again. I've got wee cracking bits right at the water. They're amazing. I really like them, it's a cracking idea. There's like one right along here as well. See, we'll get it a wee bit closer when we get up. Oh, the ducks are going crazy. But they've got a wee garden shed outside as well, look at that. Look at this house here. Absolutely amazing, right on the waterfront. And I'm just going to give you a wee zoom in shot. Look at that cracking big eagle. They've got a cool wee eagle in here and in here as well. Imagine that was your back garden. Lovely. Alright, you would have weirdos like me pointing a camera in it, but it's really nice. Look at the view you get right along here. Hey guys, that's us just went a wee wander and we just went and picked up our Pizza Hut. So we're going to get smashed into that and we're going to call it a night for our travel vlog. We've seen some cracking houses, didn't we?
Oh my goodness, it looks so nice here.
They're right on the water, as you'll see in the vlog. Or as you've already seen, sorry, because I've obviously put the footage in.
Are you okay?
I don't know what's wrong with me. It's because there's food here, man, you know what I mean? Some of the houses right on the water are brilliant. You'll get conservatories and all that, or gazebos, sorry, just outside on the water. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling because I'm starving and we're going to show you our pizza. So here we go. Here is Natalie's gluten-free Hawaiian pizza. And to be honest, it actually looks dynamite, doesn't it?
Amazing.
That's good. This is mine. I went for a farmhouse pizza, which is pineapple, mushroom and cheese. I also got some chicken dipper type things, and Natalie got some barbecue wings because that's all she can have in a gluten-free thing. All this that you see there, guys, was £20, which I think is pretty good.
That is a really good bargain. I looked on the menu and alone Matu was supposed to be £16 just for Matu.
I know, that's crazy, because this here, it's in a deal, £5. That's £5. That's £5. And that's is like $5.99. So it's like £20.99 or something. Thanks for watching our travel day. And we'll see you tomorrow when we go to Alton Towers.
Yay! Give
us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And subscribe, please, because it helps us out. See you tomorrow.